What's up, guys? It's Gwen
And Julius.
and today we got something special. We got a shifter. It's kind of hard to see because it's kind of dark, but it's a shifter, the Logitech one for our computer, and we have a steering wheel here. We have the Thrustmaster T150, I believe. Yeah, T150, and we're testing if it's gonna work with this. So I just turned on the steering wheel. They have this cool thing here. So I have this receiver connected to the speakers. We have some subs back there, some speakers here, computer. I'll plug some mic for now because it's in the way. Okay, so we'll be unboxing this and setting it up. So there's the knife there. Probably do need to use the knife just to use some sharpers. Yeah. And that's how simple it is. Oh, it's just tape. Okay. I'm sorry, it's so zoomed in too. I wish I had a wide angle to put on this.
And there's thundering out right now.
Yeah, we think there's thundering out too. That's
I hope the power doesn't go out. I mean, we just got this in the power.
Yeah, so it's like instructions, I believe. Yeah, instructions. We just need that. And I have me a flashlight. So you guys can't see back there, but good thing I have a flashlight. So there's a serial port right there. It's kind of hard to see. Look at back here. This light's blue one next to the VGA port right there. There's this serial port. It's kind of hard to see. The one's pointing it right now. That's the serial port. So that's where we plug in the shifter to. Oh, blurry now. Oh, it's so blurry. Okay, there's something wrong with my camera though. So we decided on a spot, putting it right here next to the steering wheel. And it's dark. I'm just getting this flashlight because it's kind of dark. Okay, so that's the shifter right there.
I don't know.
So I'll resume the video once we get all put in place and setting it up too. So the spot's right back there. I know it's kind of hard to see, but just plugs in right here. Now it's in. So I don't know if it's plug and play or if you have to install something. But yeah, everything's all plugged in. It's the shifter here. So we'll try to launch a game now and see if it works. So we're in BeamNG right now. This is just a game. So guys, it's been like 4 days later, and we found out we needed some adapter. So we finally came in the mail today, and we'll unbox it. So all we need to do is just open this flap up. It looks like. Let me cover it off the edge so you can see that. But yeah, the computer is on right now. Where's the mouse? Right there, the computer is on. You can see the nice background. That's Andy there. So let's focus on this little bag here.
I can't open this, so let me just get the knife out.
Our knife box we have here. And we didn't order the cord because we already handled these for the adapter. So it looks like we got it open there. And here it is. So it looks pretty simple. But the cord plugs into there, which plugs into the computer, I believe. And the I/O port, I think it's called the serial port cord plugs into here. Here you go, this. So first thing we'll do, let's untangle this first. There's a long cord. Okay, so first thing you do is plug this in here. There it goes. And this one goes, this is so long. I'm going to put it in a circle like this. Because you don't even need a cord for this. So I'll strap it up like this. Then it goes to the back. And then, yeah, we just have to turn the faster on. And then we get serial cord out. And then we plug it into here. It should just plug in just like that. Now this can plug in via USB. So is there any available ports to the back? Let's see. Yeah, I think there's one more port available back here. I'll try to plug it in. Yep, I have it plugged in. Now it's all plugged in. So it should work now. Yep, it's installing the drivers here, as you can see. I really hope this works. So the adapter was like $50 on. So guys, this isn't really moving that much. So I'll try to launch the game now. Let's see. So I'll launch BeamNG driver for this. And we have to set it up in the game settings. So let's hope it works now. Otherwise, we have to wait until the drivers are done. So I'll go to options, controls, vehicle. Okay. First gear. Is that it? And looks like it worked. So let's apply. Second. Okay, I'm gonna try the first 2 gears for now, and then I'll set the rest later. Okay. So once this sets, I'll try go into game. Okay. So listen for the test. I'll hold the clutch. And yes, this isn't first now, as you can see. Second. Yeah, so these are the only 2 controls I set so far. See, gear 3, gear 4, nothing here but some mystery. So we will set the rest of the controls
Okay, guys,
now.
so we get all the gears set.
Yeah, they're all
First,
set.
second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, and then reverse. Let's
So
go
we'll
ahead
be
and try.
doing a driving test now.
Look on the inside.
Look on that so you can see the gears. So let's gear at the bottom there. Under the miles per hour. Gear 4, gear 2. Gear 3. Gear 2, yeah. Trying to drift here.
Can we just restart?
And it does work because the middle does go to neutral. Push down, always to the right. Does go to reverse, as you can see. This one, top right, does go to 5. Bottom right goes to 6. Yeah, so everything works on here. And all we needed was this adapter. $37, I think it was. I guess you can't see it because my flash is on. But yeah, that's gonna be the end of the video. Just a quick unboxing and setup of this. So yeah, let's go in and Julius.